Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you should be a software developer. For those of you who are completely new to the field, let's talk about who is a software developer. What do they do? Well, they maintain and build web, desktop, and mobile applications. For example, there are some of the biggest apps out there that we all know. Facebook, Google, Instagram, Uber. They have so many developers behind the scenes that are here to maintain and build features for these apps. All right, maybe not all developers are doing cool stuff like Matrix every day, but there are 5 great reasons why you should still be a software developer. Salary. Salary should not be the only reason you enter software development. You should really enjoy doing highly analytical work and coming up with solutions to problems. However, it is important to talk about the income you could be making if you enter this field. Salaries have been going up significantly and steadily in software development. It doesn't look like they are going to slow down anytime soon. You could see that today, a software developer median salary is over 6 figures. Entry-level developers are also not doing too bad. They're making around $70,000. Of course, it depends on where you live. And if you live in New York or California, you can expect an entry-level developer making around 6 figures as well. It is also great to note that software developer is ranked number 1 out of 100 best jobs by US News and World Report rankings. No degree required. Google, Apple, and some of the other largest companies out there do not actually require a college degree for you to work there as a software developer. And that is great news. Now, of course, if you have a computer science degree or any other college degree, it's wonderful. And we're not telling you not to go to college because it still gives you benefits and leg up in hiring processes. However, if you do not currently have a college degree, you cannot afford one, or you're not sure if college is for you, there's 2 other ways that you can become a software developer. The first one is the self-taught route. And there's so many resources out there that allow you to become a software developer on your own. Free Code Camp and Codecademy are 2 great resources that allow you to learn completely free of charge and provide you a great curriculum to follow along. Code Wars. It is another free resource that you can use to practice algorithms that are frequently used as a part of an interview process to become a software developer. Bootcamps. Bootcamps are a great resource for those who are looking to learn a skill quickly and those who are looking for more structure. However, most bootcamps are not free. So you could go on switchup.org and look up which bootcamps are right for you and read reviews from people who have already been to that particular bootcamp. It's just a great website to go to do your own research. Job Outlook. Job Outlook is really great for software developers. There is approximately 1 million jobs that is going to be unfilled by 2020. On top of it, software developers and software developers for applications jobs are going up by 24% and 31% respectively. That is incredible numbers, especially compared to the growth of total occupations only by 7% in the United States. Start your own business. Going on websites like Upwork is a great idea to start freelancing. You can find your first clients, you can build up a reputation of you being a knowledgeable developer who gets stuff done, and you can start making money without having a supervisor. You can control your own hours, you can control which projects you want to work on. Those are some of the benefits of being a freelancer. Ability to work remotely. Here are 2 great websites that you can use to find your first remote job. We work remotely, and remoteok.io. These are the websites that post specifically remote jobs, and a lot of them are in software development. This rounds up our list of reasons why you should be a software developer. Why do you want to get in the field? If you like this video,